Back everyone. You may be having an issue with your Galaxy Tab where for some reason your Galaxy Tab is just not charging. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though is making sure that your tab is connected to an actual power source. So what do I mean by that? Well, you want to go ahead and find that USB Type-C cable that's go ahead and plugging into the bottom of your specific port right here, and you want to make sure that that cable is in good condition and that it's working fully. If for some reason that cable is not working or charging any other device, well, that's probably your problem, and you may want to go ahead and take out that specific charger and use a different one for the time being. Now, let's say you go ahead and do that, and for some reason it's still not working. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is plugging in your specific charger here and letting it sit there for a little period of time, maybe 10-20 minutes. Because the Galaxy Tab has a bigger battery inside of it than most other devices, it may take a little bit more time to actually go ahead and charge up a device like this rather than charging up, some other device that you have. So in my opinion, this is another thing you can do to pretty much fix that specific situation. Now, let's say you go ahead and do that and you're still having issues. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is actually going through and finding the charging port again on your device. So for us, it's right down here. And you want to make sure there's not a lot of like gunk, stuff, debris, dust stuck within the specific port. And that, in my opinion, if it's a new device, you probably won't have this issue. But if it's a older used device that you've had for a while, there can be a lot of stuff stuck in this USB Type-C port. So your best bet is going through and just pretty much getting some sort of, non-metallic material, things like a toothpick or some like plastic prying tool, whatever. And you want to go ahead and gently pry the inside of the specific port. And a majority of the time, that may end up fixing it for you. Again, it's not a guarantee, but for a majority of people out there, by cleaning out this port, that can probably fix it too. Now, let's say you do that and that's still not working. You may want to go ahead and disconnect any accessories you have. If you have any keyboards, the stylus up here, go ahead and remove everything, go and plug it back in, and that may end up working for you again. If you're still having issues, I would recommend contacting Samsung and see if they can take a look at it, because it may be a bigger issue than just the battery inside. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.